everyone's doing great today. It is beautiful here today in Tennessee. A little chilly, but it's still beautiful. The sun is shining. But I'm gonna throw together one of the quickest crock pot meals that you could possibly make. So I went ahead and I oiled down my crock pot. I like to do that. If you use a liner, go ahead and do that. You do you, but I don't use them. And I'm just going to put maybe a ½ inch of chicken broth in the bottom of my crock pot, simply to add moisture to this. Now I have got 3 pieces of chicken. I've got chicken breast and they are frozen. I did rinse them and wash them off. I'm gonna place them in the bottom. Now they're gonna add moisture to this as well. Let me wash my hands real quick. Okay, so I've got Italian salad dressing and seasoning mix. Now you can use ranch, you can use whatever flavor you want to. This is just one of my throw together meals on a busy day. And I'm going to take, well first of all, let's kind of shake this up. And I'm gonna take and just sprinkle, not all of this, but some of this on here. Okay, about half of it. And now I have got a 16-ounce bag of organic carrots, baby carrots. And my husband and I love carrots, so I'm gonna put those on top. Okay, and now I'm gonna sprinkle the other half on top of that. Yum, yum, yum. And now we're going to put 2 small baked potatoes in here. I went ahead and put just a drop of olive oil on each one and salted them, wrapped them in aluminum foil, and I'm just gonna lay them on top. How easy is that? This is probably high in sodium, so if you wanted to make your own at home, that would be a lot better probably. But that's okay, I'm in a hurry. So now I'm just gonna cut this crock pot onto high, and I'm gonna let this cook for 4 hours. You could actually leave this in the crock pot all day long for 8 to 10 hours if you wanted to, if you're working. Y'all, I think my fur baby wants to tell y'all hello. Come here, baby. Say hi, say hi. Meet Miss Prissy. This is my girl. Do any of y'all have pets? And if so, what kind? We think she's a Shawini, we're not sure. But she's definitely got some of that wiener dog in her. She's got a long body here. I hope all of y'all have a great day and God bless.